Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to add another account to your Telegram app. On Telegram you can be logged into multiple Telegram accounts, and let me show you how you can easily do that. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram app. On Telegram, get into Settings, then tap right here at Edit, and on that screen you can easily find Add Another Account feature. And here it says that you can connect multiple accounts with different phone numbers. So I'm gonna hit Add Another Account, and on that step I have to enter the phone number. You can tap on the country to change it. You can use search for that, and then in that simple way you can place right here any country that you want, and after that you can put in your another phone number and then just hit on continue. On the next step you will have to enter the confirmation code, and after that your new phone number will be added to the Telegram app. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.